Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. So today guys, I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to use a steamer. For those of you that have a steamer at home and you're trying to figure out how to use it, if you guys are interested in buying a steamer and would like to know how to use a steamer, there's going to be a quick tutorial on how to use it. We have the steamer here that I purchased a year ago from AliExpress, and this steamer, it's a 2-in-1 steamer. It has a head thingy majiggy, so I can use this to steam my hair if I wanted to, and then I can use this nozzle to steam my face. Okay, so just quick and a simple, easy tutorial, guys. Nothing crazy or anything like that. Before I go into that, guys, I'm going to quickly let you guys know the benefits of using steaming and why I use steaming personally. So personally, I use steaming as I feel like it helps open my pores and allows me to get into my skin. Okay, now there's been a lot of controversy on whether steaming actually does help, doesn't help, does help, but I believe each to their own. And with the clients that I have used in my many 2 years of doing facials, I believe it's definitely a game changer. Compared to when I have done a facial without the steamer, compared to when I have had the steamer, guys, I definitely feel like steaming is an essential part of doing a facial. As long as women have been doing skincare, the Egyptian women, the Greek, all of them were using steaming. So with no further ado, I'm gonna get straight into it. Okay guys, so I thought the hoodie did look quite ridiculous. I thought it would have given a sort of like mystical vibes, but it was not giving that, so I took it off. Okay, so guys, the steamer, like I said, if you don't mind bring the camera down just a little bit. Yeah, so here is the steamer, guys, the great old steamer. And this steamer does such miracles. Okay, I had one that I bought off Amazon before, but that broke, unfortunately, due to some people. Okay, I'll turn the thing around so then you can see me. Sorry guys about this. So make sure they can see the steamer. Okay, my face is nice and all, but we're here for the steamer today. All right, so okay guys, the steamer has this nozzle bit over here, which you would add water to. Okay, and then just so it doesn't take me forever, guys, I've already added some water. And then there's a line. Okay, so once you've done, you pop that on over here, shut that, get the water out of the way, and then there's a maximum line. So this is the maximum you could go over. If you go over that, the steamer may not work, and I wouldn't advise doing that to your steamer, as you guys may break it and it won't be good for anyone. Okay, so there's 2 buttons over here. There's the on and off button. Hold on guys, let me just make sure I turn on the switch. Oh shoot, it's not in the socket. It's not in the socket. Ah, my head. That is not smooth whatsoever, guys. But back to what I was saying. Okay, so there's an on and off button over here, guys. So on over here, this button controls how much you want it. I don't understand Chinese, so I'm just assuming that this means power and this means intensity. Okay, unfortunately, when you buy things from AliExpress, guys, it comes in Chinese, although the users are from not China. But I guess this is probably the best opportunity for me to learn how to speak Chinese. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, I'm just gonna sit here and have a conversation with you guys whilst the steamer turns on. Okay, back to me. I just usually wait, I prepare my stuff, guys, and I'll quickly give you guys a quick glimpse. Just hold the camera there on the 3 products that we'll be using today for the facial. Okay, so today I won't be doing the most of natural skincare. I'll be using store-bought products that I bought because I don't really have the time today to go make my own. So today I'll be using the foaming wash from Dermalogica. Okay, this is really good, guys. It really gets into the pores. I will then be using the Nip Plus Fab Exfoliate, and this scrub is heaven. However guys, if you do have sensitive skin, dry skin, I may advise you guys perhaps not to use this, as this is quite abrasive on the skin. I tend to maybe use this once every other week, just only when my skin needs that extra scrub, because I'm not gonna lie guys, this is quite abrasive, I won't lie to you. And I did find that when I did use this quite often, my skin was very dry. So, and I've got oily skin, so imagine having dry skin when you have oily skin. Okay, so this is on the lineup, this is on the lineup. We'll be also using my homemade clove toner. If you guys know about clove, you guys will get you some clove. Okay, and give me a moment as I fetch my other tools that I'll be using guys for my after my steaming. I will also be using once I'm done, ice, just to close my pores again, as they say is good. But I generally like the feeling of I like the feeling of having my face in ice once I've steamed my face. Okay, and then where is the brush? It's quite unprofessional of you guys. Okay, yeah, I'll be using this guys. This is my red light therapy also, and it's got a scrub bit as well, which will be in the video of my full facial. Okay, so make sure you watch that guys. Okay, and then what else do I have? Oh yes, my oil cleanser. Okay, my oil cleanser. This is my homemade oils. No, I'm still recording.
Wait, was we not recording the whole time?
No, it was. It just stopped. Okay, guys. So this is my homemade oils that has taken me about 2+ years, guys, to formulate. Okay, I have done my research on all the best products and everything that's good for my skin, and my goals are just to have flawless skin, like flawless skin, which I have achieved. So the only thing I do now is just maintain it. This is the brush for my scrub, and then oh yes, the lip scrub guys. This is the lip scrub. Okay, lip scrub a dub, get that lip scrubbed. And yes, my favorite champagne fanny brush. Usually apply my mask with this guys, it's really good. And don't worry, my table has been cleaned. Alright, it's been cleaned, so don't accuse me of doing anything foul. I've cleaned my table, I've cleaned my hands, and I'm ready guys, I'm ready. I am ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, see, the steamer is ready. Okay, it's ready to be used. Okay, what is that sound? It's vibrating. Okay, I'm looking for my lip scrubber, but perhaps I'll have a look somewhere in the meantime. Okay guys, the steamer is almost ready, as you guys can see. Maybe here actually. If you just mind bringing the camera down just a little, cameraman, to the right, towards the woman. Sorry, how sexist of me. I'm fortunate to have a woman help me film my filming today guys. It's really grateful for her actually, because she's made my job a lot easier.
I didn't do this for free, by the way.
Yeah, she will be generously paid. So yes, look, it's turning on. Now when I first bought this guys, I was very terrified, because at the end of the day I did get this on AliExpress, and I was just imagining me putting the plug in, and that, yeah, it wasn't a good look. But as I've got used to it guys, so look, as you can see, the steam is now steaming. And then if you guys can see, like, look how small, minuscule the steam is. Then if I turn this on, this gives it that full power. I believe, I haven't timed how long it takes, but I think it's maybe 20 to 30 minutes. There are times where I will be there thinking, okay, this is taking a little long, but I believe it's 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, thank you for watching the video on the steaming and how to use a steamer. I will put a link below on where I got the steamer from, and perhaps make another video guys where I'm, you know, sit down and actually give you guys the proper detail on the benefits of steaming. But today was just pretty much to show you guys, if you guys have a steamer, on how to use it. If you guys were curious on how to use a steamer, want to buy a steamer. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys are well. Mwah.